down and try everything once.
Quero provar ouro.
A gente não faz adição de leite, corante, nem de conservante.
Ah, desse aí.
Não vai, não se trata, tá? A gente vai dar um papel para cada, você pode manter até o final da degustação. A gente já colocou na ordem bem bacana para você estar seguindo, tá? Aí você seleciona a que mais agrada o paladar de vocês e pode degustar à vontade, beleza? Caso queira, pode ficar à vontade. O pessoal hoje já é familiarizado já, vai ter cachaça já?
Quero provar ouro.
His name is Gabriela.
Gabriela.
Isso, Gabriela.
Sweet.
Close your don't open when you drink it because it's not a good sensation. When you drink it, you close your.
Vamos providenciar pro som.
Thank you.
Eu consegui um tradutor, tá? Aqui. Ele não sabe ainda, mas ele vai ajudar.
Dois. Gabriela.
Gente, senta, hein? Ó, it's hot now.
No, not yet.
Good.
Another.
I love it. Eu quero uma. Eu vou levar uma dessas. It's more candy? Have a sugar?
Sweet.
It's better.
Yeah.
Duas produções de inox que vai ser aquelas mais puras, né? Sem contato com madeira, com nada. A primeira é a tradição, 44 da graduação, tem um toque adocicado, muito boa para tomar pura. Já a outra do inox é a Drinks, ela foi feita com a finalidade da coquetelaria para as caipirinhas, ela não vai ter esse toque adocicado. Ela é mais neutra, beleza?
Eu queria que você faça com pausa para poder explicar para ele.
These two are done directly in inox barrel without contact with wood, with this wood barrel.
Wood barrel, okay.
So without this.
Without
These
the
are
wood barrel.
the pure one.
Pure cachaça.
Okay.
Aí a gente vai ter.
Is it more strong or less strong?
Aquela é mais forte ou mais fraca?
Uma de 44, outra de 40.
Okay, stronger. 44.
Okay.
44% is very strong.
Okay.
Aí a gente tem prata do amendoim, levemente amadeirada.
So this is silver,
Limited edition?
but a little bit taste of wood.
Okay. A little taste of wood.
Yeah.
A gente vai ter jacuboca, é do Jequitibá. Jequitibá ele remove a acidez.
Okay. Jequitibá is a kind of Brazilian tree, and when it's inside the barrel of it, this will remove the acidity.
Ambas são madeiras brasileiras, né? Aí aqui a gente já vai ter uma coisa mais fina, que já vai ser aquela que agradou o paladar do senhor, né? A primeira, 2 anos do carvalho francês.
Okay, this stays 2 years in a French barrel. It's more soft. Okay, I tried this one. It's really
Smooth, right?
Isso assim a gente...
Yeah,
Aí a
this-
gente tem 2 anos e essa aqui é 4 anos de carvalho
This is
francês.
4 years. Yeah.
A diferença,
Yeah.
coloração.
4 years?
Yes.
Yes.
Essa é 2 anos.
2 years.
2 years.
It's different color
Oak
because
French.
it's more old.
Took into the from the barrel too.
Essa aqui, gente, ela
What
parece...
is your favorite?
Oi?
Your favorite? Sua favorita?
Minha favorita é há 4 anos.
This is better.
I understand.
Há 4
You
anos.
look the price. This cost 77. The other one 286. So it's
Top notch.
Há 4 anos, gente, ela lembra um whisky.
Whisky.
Mas
Similar.
um whisky adocicado, com um toque doce de cana. Bem aveludada, bem macio.
eu experimentei. I tried it really.
Qual o nome?
Essa é a reserva 4 anos.
Special resort 4 years.
Daqui pra cá vai ser os licores, né? Liquors. Gabriela Cravo e Canela, a mais famosa.
Gabriela. Sweet.
Gabriela, a nossa é
Jam.
adoçada com melado de
Make a
cana.
jam like
It's so sweet. Yeah, you can make it jam.
Molasses of cane.
Okay.
E a gente tem caramelada,
Okay. This is
ginger
sweetened
of
with
molasses.
caramel. Yeah.
É isso mesmo, né? Ginger of molasses. E a gente tem capim-limão. This is lemongrass.
Lemon. Okay.
Oh,
Lemongrass. Coffee.
Coffee.
Yeah.
Café.
it's for the morning.
Tangerine.
Okay,
Mandarina.
Tangerine.
Cipocravo. It's a vine.
Fine.
Ele
White wine.
Vine. Tarzan. O cipó.
Forget it. No,
I also cannot translate this.
Uns falam que é vine, liam.
Vine. Like
Vine.
A vine.
Tarzan.
Yeah, vine. Yeah, I understand. Same. Similar. Vine.
Vanilla.
Okay, vanilla.
Vanilla.
Chocolate.
Chocolate.
Chocolate
Okay, buddy.
and pepper.
Chocolate and pepper.
Yeah.
Oh, very good. Okay.
Aí tem de pimenta, né? Pepper.
Hot pepper.
Hot.
Yes.
And banana and banana
Banana?
with cinnamon.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Banana with cinnamon sounds good.
Vamos?
Okay, we just came from the Cachaça farm. This is where they grow one of the most popular, I guess it's a liqueur here in Brazil. It's what most people have in their caipirinha. The cachaça is usually they ask you what you want. They say cachaça, and it's strong. It's usually a stronger drink. I'm probably slurring already, and I had 2 shots. International's old Barber World TV, we're here doing what we do. Okay, we're going to the first waterfalls right now. Let's check this out, see how this goes.
I'm Brazilian dog. Have you tell your side?
Wow. How far is the hike?
Hi guys.
Quantos minutes? Yeah.
Some 5 minutes.
Okay.
It's a little street. Okay.
Okay. This is interesting that either they laid, it almost has a stone pathway. I guess they laid concrete or painted it because it's hard. Could have been a dirt path. It looks like they filled it in. Or it's either natural stone, I guess. Either way, I hear the waterfalls getting closer. Getting much closer.
Okay, I mean, show you.
Show me.
Yeah. Tá okay with you.
Okay, we're going. I hear the waterfalls getting closer. International zone. We're here on, I wouldn't say a mission.
What?
Exploration.
Wow!
We're here to explore the waterfalls in Paraty.
Se eu sair aí, você vai ficar rico agora, viu? Prepara que vai andar com segurança.
And I got the 360 camera. So we're going to get a 360 view in here, along with the GoPro. Have my assistant, Desiree.
Wow!
Yeah.
You are ready? Thank you.
You gonna get in the water?
What is your opinion
Beautiful.
about its place?
It's beautiful.
Beautiful?
I thought it was gonna have the waterfall where it comes down on you. Like I was in Costa Rica and they have the waterfall. You can go underneath and it goes.
Aqui, ó. Pra passar pra lá, tirar a pedra do meio aqui, ó. Tem que sair pra lá, tirar a pedra aqui, pode escorregar.
Do you understand Portuguese?
Yes, a little from Poco. I understand he said it gets a little slanted. Be careful, come straight down here. Watch your ass.
You are ready?
It's cold? No? Okay.
Let's go. It's cold?
Não compreende, summer.
What is your opinion about water?
Freezing. It's the coldest water I've been in a long time. Oh look. How did he get over there?
Just shoot.
But it feels fresh. It feels fresh though. It feels fresh. Oh, wow. You too?
água do
She's very adventurous. I'll give her that.
É muito bom! Let's go!
Okay.
Woo! Do you like it?
Yes.
What's about it?
Will you hold it for me? That was exciting. Now the last piece of this event is the drone, and we good. I guess this is the bottom of the waterfall. It's been super real. On to the next. Beautiful time. I would say visit Paraty for sure and do some of these tours. Woo. World tour with Omega, my man, going each and every place with the Clippers in hand. Thailand, Philippines, Costa Rica, Panama. What?
You are happy?
Yes, I'm happy.
You are happy with this tour about it?
Yes, it's been a good day. We had one rain day yesterday. We couldn't get out yesterday. It was raining all day. So, you know, one day down, but we back at it. The sun is out. The sun is out. The fun is out. You know what I'm saying? Nah, I mean. Jeep tour. The Jeep tour. Like my man LO Cool J said, you remind me of my Jeep. I don't know if he said that because she was thick or wide or what, but you remind me of my Jeep tour. Cheer. I smell the fruit.
Yeah.
Brasil é de mochila, meu pai. Tem de barriga? Hã? Tem de barriga?
Falaram que é perigoso ir de barriga.
É, só, você dá pra uma placa.
Vai querer o vídeo agora?
É, mas você vai com a mão assim. Aqui é pedra, põe a mão na pedra. Você vai fazer aqui, ó. Desse jeito. É. E o queixo tem que ser levantado. Porque você levanta na sala.
Não, vai, não. Ali eu saltei, eu peguei.
Então, você viu? Você dá um leve saltinho. Aí você tem que estar com o queixo levantado e a mão assim.
Vai de barriga.
Aí vai ficar bom, hein?
Vou perguntar, é francês, né, filho? Vai swimming? Hi, vai swimming? Ok, go!
Very good, nice now.
Segura essas pernas. Vai descer vocês desse jeito.
You are ready?
No. One hand. Oh, ah! Whoa! Okay, I did it. There's a lot of rocks when you get down to the bottom. See, my screen is fogging. Oh. It's very difficult to get out of here. The water's so cold, it's making my screen fog. I need those hands to get out of here. Well, it seems like the ride is the easy part. Getting out of here is the hard part. I've been down to try everything once. That was good. But as they say, it's time to go home now. Taking our time. But I gotta get in the gym, right? I still got some muscle there though.
Beleza.
He took a spill. I'm tippy-toeing. There must be something that you got to get over there. It's cold.
Not cold.
Oh, yeah. It's good. One time is good. That was amazing. I did everything that I didn't really want to do. Okay, I'm ready to go. It's been beautiful.
Uma escuna com 3 andares, não pode pular. Quem pulou? Ele.
Like I said, this was fun. So we're going to the restaurant to eat now. It's your Boss International Zone. Barber World TV. Time to go eat. Ooh, look at all those gnats and mosquitoes. Remember, I might be your father's age, but I don't look like your father. It is my first time ever going across a bridge like this with water underneath. That's porphyro? I don't like porphyro.
Okay, I like it.
I know you like it.
É chato, cara.
No chato.
Famous lunch? No.
Famous lunch, yeah?
Not famous lunch. It's
Time to eat. Lunchtime.
lunchtime now. Okay, I'm show you, okay? The video. Famous
Time to eat. Ow, my ass hurts.
in front of the waterfall with
Arroz.
arroz, fish, feijão,
Feijão.
feijão,
Feijão.
farofa,
Batata frita.
batata frita.
Batata frita.
Your drink. Beautiful. Show.
Maracujá. That's passion fruit caipirinha.
And my caipirinha is about a lemon.
Limon, it's a regular. Everybody has a limon.
I love lime.
Okay, the food was delicious. We made a couple new friends. I don't want to bite my hand off. We out. Peace.